If you were to make $3,000 before the end of this month or by the end of this month, what will you use it for? In today's video, I'm going to share with you 3 to 4 ways how you can make $100 a day. And guess what? They're very effective and very fun. Stick with me to the end of this video. What's up everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Usman Ahmed, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make $100 a day. Now if I remember vividly, I know you want to ask. I said $3,000 by the end of this month, and I'm saying, and here again I'm saying $100. Now I'm not wrong, right? If you do the math of $100 for 30 days, that is $3,000 into your pocket. Now someone might say $3,000 is not a big money. Well, just do the math. Having $3,000 each and every day and multiply 3,000 each and every month and multiply that amount times 12. How much are you making per year? That is over $36,000. Now that is a good amount of money. To me, I might invest the money, or I can use part of it, or I will invest the money surely. So I don't know how you're going to use it, but comment below. Tell me how you're going to use $3,000 if you were to make $3,000 before the end of this month. I want to hear from you. So if you're new to this channel and you want to know who is this and why is he showing me and what is he going to tell me today, well, as I've said earlier, my name is Usman Ahmed and this is my channel. I talk about how to make money online, how to build a profitable business online. In fact, I built this channel just to show you free ways how you can leverage the power of the internet to make good amount of money monthly. So if you're interested in this kind of content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. That way you get notified each time I drop a video and you don't miss it. Also, if you're new to this channel and you are interested in building a profitable income online, I mean a business online, I have created a set of training, or there is a set of training created for you down in the description. And guess what? It is very, very, very profitable, because this business, I have used this training to scale my own business to 6 figures, multiple 6 figures online. So it is down in the description, the #1 link in the description. Check it out. So with that being said, let's hit the video. I know you're imagining right now that you have heard so many YouTubers talk about how you can make money online. Well, this is not BS, trust me, because I am not sharing with you something that you're going to make $35 per year. No way. I'm sharing with you what is really profitable. If you're interested in investing, you can start from somewhere, make a couple of bucks, as I have explained earlier, make some couple of bucks and invest. So this is more profitable than all this survey side that you make a couple of bucks or you watch video for some cents. No way. Are we in the 80s? No way. We're not going to do that. So the first website I'm going to recommend for this is Sellbooks. So this, if you are a college student, this is the best recommendation for you. Or you've been to college, or you're someone who read in library a lot, this is the best website for you. Now here, I've heard so many YouTubers, normally I learned from YouTubers that some of them who were in college, they normally make use of this site. They scan textbooks and sell them here on Bookscouter. So they sell it on Bookscouter here. All you need to do is just to register for an account and sell on Bookscouter. Now you don't have to own any book to sell online. You can just decide to have a library, or you have old books that might be useful to someone online. All you need to do is just to upload the book and sell it or rent it out. As you can see, you can sell, you can buy, you can rent, you can just upload and rent. And you can see these are some books that have been researched on. This is some Perkins microeconomics, and but if you checked this guy right here, it might not be his book. Who knows? Maybe he found it in his home, or maybe he bought it. He has been in college for over some time now, and this is like a library book. Most of the times, college students, they make use of their site to make a couple of extra cash outside. So I would recommend, if you're a college student, don't waste your time. Go to your university. All those books you're buying, they're not a waste. Use them to make money on Bookscouter. All you need to do is just a sign up account. As you can see, they even have a mobile version. So for those of you who do not have a PC, this is a way for you. You don't have a PC, it's fine. I can remember we have PC, we have mobile scanners. You can use the mobile scanner, scan a book, and post them on bookscouter.com and sell them. And that way you just make extra cash. Like this one, who is making 74 bucks or 46 bucks or 45. What are you waiting for? You are in school. Start making money. Now this is actually for college students. This site, if you're in college or university, this is the best way to start making money online. This is the best way to start investing. And this, you can do this even worldwide. It doesn't have to be the USA or Canada or any kind of influential countries. You can do this. This is a worldwide opportunity, because I am here in Malaysia and I am able to use this website in Malaysia, and I am able to use this website also. So go ahead right now, sign up for this, and start making a couple of cash. The second website I am going to recommend to you to start making money online. This is this is not so much fun. This is so much fun, but you're not gonna make much money. It's just like taking a field survey, and it's called field agent. This is it right here. So field agent is like taking an online survey, but this one is not online survey. It is what do you call it? It is a physical survey. Literally, what you do is you help businesses such as Walmart, Nestle, and other retail companies. You help them. You post your complaint, like they post your complaint online, and field agent here will reach out to people like you who want to make extra cash, and they will give you an assignment. So you can complete an assignment for $5. As I've said, you're not going to make much money on field agent, but it's really fun. Just imagine taking your bike for a ride to Walmart or to Nestle, taking a picture and being that consumer, being that giving them a consumer insight, taking pictures and giving them the pictures for $5 or $10. So as I have said earlier, you're not going to make much from this. I don't think you're going to make much from this, but definitely you're going to enjoy it. It's literally very, very fun to do. So all you have to do right now to get started with Field Agent is just to sign up. I don't have this account. I won't lie to you. I don't have an account for Field Agent, but you can just go ahead and sign up right now and start making extra cool cash. So the next one I'm going to recommend after Field Agent is called user testing. So if you don't have a laptop for this, then I don't recommend you go for testing, because this one right here requires having a PC or a desktop. However, if you don't have one and you are in college or there's any public library close to you, you can just make use of it and make a cool cash, make extra cash. Now, what do you do with user testing? With user testing here, you will be given tasks, you'll be getting paid to test. You'll be getting paid to download and test some apps or website. Let's navigate and show you. Yeah, so as you can see here with user testing, you get paid to download or test an app. You see, they said here, earn up to $60 per test. You can just decide, may decide to give you an app or a website to test. They will ask you a couple of here and there questions. So you might decide to show your face. It's voluntary, it's not compulsory, but the one that is compulsory is you have to speak out your thought, which means your voice is going to be needed. You can earn up to $60 per test. So imagine taking 2 or 3 tests a day. That is over $100, guys. This is massive. Over $100 for 3 tests, and just like that, you've made $100. Now, This is so easy to sign up, and I think this website is not for everybody. I don't think it's around US, Canada, and other influential countries such as the Australia, New Zealand, and stuff, and UK. I mean, they're meant for some European countries and some American countries. It's not going to work for everyone. So if you're in America or Canada, this is a bonus for you. You can start testing apps or websites, giving your own reviews on the website you've tested, and you get paid for that. So the next on my list is Foap, and I don't know, is it Foap or Foap? I'm not really sure how to pronounce this bloody name, but if it's Foap, pardon me. If it's Foap and you think I pronounce it wrong, please pardon me. I don't know how to pronounce it. I don't know the real English to use here. But the next one outside here is Foap, and literally what you do in Foap here is sell photos. You are interested in taking photographs, then you can make money. You can maybe you have a Sprite bottle here. You can just decide to take a Sprite photograph of. You can just decide to take a photograph of this Sprite bottle and sell it on Foap. Now you might sell it on Foap can be around $1, $5. So imagine you take multiple photos on Foap, maybe $100, 100 photos, and maybe per photo you sell them for maybe $1, an average. Let's take average for $1. Now you take 100 photos and sell them for $1. That is $100. Now, as I've promised, I'm going to show you how you can make $100, and I've just delivered 4 of them. You can just take 100 photos and sell them for $100. Also, you can not only take photos on Foap, you can do other things, which entails what do you call it? Creating campaigns for companies such as Coca-Cola. Now, if you go down to Forbes, you can see that they are partners with Coca-Cola and Heineken. So you can just decide to create campaigns for them and make a couple of dollars. Now, if you run campaigns for any company here, I think the maximum and average you get paid is around, is it $10? $50 to $200. That is the maximum I've seen here on Foap. So that is a great way. Imagine running campaigns for Coca-Cola or Nivea, as we have seen down here. These are some company, Inc. and UBC. Imagine running campaigns for any of this company, Nivea or Coca-Cola. You run campaign, maybe 2 campaign, and $20 or $50 per campaign, or $200. Now, just imagine running this campaign for them. You've just made $200 or $100 directly into your pocket in one single day. Now, before you can run campaigns for these companies, now you have to make sure you are qualified. You have to be literally so qualified to run campaigns for this company. So qualification is the key here on Foap to run campaigns, but you don't have to be qualified to sell photos. Taking photograph, I don't think you have to be so qualified to take photographs here on Foap. So just get started. All you need to do is just to sign up your brand field or sign up here to sell your content. And active missions. You'll be given missions to even do. You're given activities to carry out and get paid for those activities. Now, hopefully you're enjoying this video. If you are, don't forget to blast the like button and comment below. Are you going to start using Foap, or user testing, or field agent, or Cellbook if you're a college student or you've been to college before and you want to just make extra cash? Comment below. Let me know which of this website you're going to try today. Let me know which one is going to be the most fun for you to try. So here comes the end of the video, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed this tutorial on how you can make $100 a day utilizing this 4 websites. And if you did enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to comment below, as I've said earlier, which website are you going to be using? Which of them are you going to be using? As I've promised, I'm going to give you a bonus for those of you who want to start building a financial income online. You want to start building your businesses online. I have dropped a link in the description, and it's a free online training. Guess what? You don't have to pay anything for the training. It's free. Go down to to the description and get your own copy. Secure your spot, and I will see you over there. So for now, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you really enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next video, which is tomorrow. Thank you.